Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, we have here a 1964 no mint mark Jefferson nickel. Okay, first, let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty, 1964. At the reverse of the coin, E pluribus unum. It's a Latin phrase that stands for out of many one. Okay, here, Monticello, the Monticello. 5 cents, United States of America. Okay, now let's find out the value or the price of a 1964 no mint mark Jefferson nickel. Okay, we have here two information. Okay, let's read the first information. Okay, here we go. The value of a 1964 Jefferson nickel in average condition to be worth 5 cents, while one in mint state could be valued around $43. That's the first. And the second, a 1964 nickel is worth approximately 5 cents on today's market. However, if the coin is rare, uncirculated, or in mint condition, it can be worth as much as $225 to $275. In fact, if the nickel extremely rare, such as the 1964 SMS variant, it can even be worth $8,750 in MS65 grade. Wow. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. And have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.